This is the first phone in India coming with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the iQOO 12 5G. Let's jump directly to the performance. This phone comes with two independent processors, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and iQOO's independent Q1 processor. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 built on 4nm technology and has 1+5+2 CPU architecture and also integrated with Android 720 GPU. The main use of the Q1 processor is it will add additional frames to the videos that you are streaming and the games you are playing. This feature is called frame interpolation. It also boosts the game resolution from 720p to 900p of maximum quality, which is insane. Due to this dual processor technology, there is no too much pressure on the main processor. Due to that, the heat management also got easier. This has 6K vapor chamber cooling system, which is quite larger than the previous version compared to the iQOO 11. This is the most premium looking iQOO phone in the market since it launched. And this is the Legend variant in collaboration with BMW, and there is also another variant called Alpha. This phone comes with a glass body on the back, but that seems to be a glass. And looking upward to the camera module, they improved a lot in the camera module when compared to the previous versions of iQOO 12. This comes with 50+50+64 megapixel triple camera monster setup. They uses periscopic lens as telephoto camera, which results in lossless zoom. Coming to the display, this has 6.8-inch 2K LTPO AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate, and it has peak brightness of 3000 nits, which is the brightest display ever in the Android smartphone. A part of Google Pixel, this phone comes with Android 14 based on FunTouch OS 14. They bought new always-on display personalizations, and they will allow users to customize their lock screens also. If you want to know anything about Android 14, I already made a video, go check it out. It can also support multitasking features where other Android phones supports like floating window, mini window, split screen, etc. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye now.